Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. As these are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Aries. So we have one card, Three of Wands. Let's see what else. Okay. We have the Three of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Okay. Then we have the Justice, the Seven of Wands, the King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So Aries, what I feel here is there has been something in your life which has caused a lot. Either it is a heartbreak or some other painful situation from which you want to move away. Okay, or you have already sort of walked away from that situation towards something which you found more passionate. Okay, so to me it seems like an impulsive move now, or a rebound you can say, that says you tried to move away from a situation which was really heartbreaking and painful. You are moving impulsively to the next best opportunity or the next best person, whatever it is. So since you want to heal that heartbreak, since it's like you are heartbroken, you are in pain, and you want to heal yourself, and you want something good in your life, so that, because you don't want to stay in pain any longer, for that you are trying to rush to any next best, at least it seems to be the best, or it seems to be good, anything which seems to be good to you right now, anything which is giving you happiness right now. You are trying to rush in towards something which is giving you happiness right now, at least superficially. You are not even very sure as to it is long lasting or not, is it actually that happy or not. You have not even worked on that. Okay, it may be that it has a long lasting happiness, whatever it is, but you are not sure, you've not analyzed that. The thing is, you are acting on your impulse, you are rushing in towards according to your impulses. Okay, and then we have the Justice, the Seven of Wands, and the King of Wands. So again, there is some sort of a resistance or a struggle around you. Actually, you are trying to restore the balance in your life. You are trying to regain the control in your life. You want balance, you want position, you want to restore your, I should say, self-worth or self-esteem, confidence, whatever it is. You're struggling in that direction. That's what I feel. Okay, and that is why you are rushing in towards, you're acting impulsively, moving very fast towards something, or trying to grab onto anything which seems to be very good to you, at least for now. You are not even very sure, you're not even analyzed that situation properly, but you're just rushing in towards this, and that the struggle behind seems to be trying to restore the balance and get the confidence back in your life. Same thing here. We have the Queen of Wands, the Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So again, see, you are acting, basically it's all about trying to regain the balance, trying to restore the balance. There are things which are holding you back, and your resistance is coming from the fact that you are not able to step out of the pain which you have already suffered. Actually, you are not able to let go of the pain which you have suffered in the past. It's really tough for you to release that pain and move on, and that is what is the resistance in your path. And it's ultimately the entire battle here is, the entire scenario here is that you want to regain your confidence, you want to regain the control, you want to regain that you want to get back to your own self-worth, you want to get back to your own self, you are trying to revive yourself, you are trying to heal yourself. Okay, that only resist, but you're fighting, it's like some sort of an inner battle which is going on. Okay, you want to heal, you want to get back on track, you want to get the control on your life in your hands, something like that. You are trying to keep away from certain people, trying to think logically, also trying to be a little sort of blunt and straightforward. Also, it's like being defensive, sort of, wherever you feel that this thing is encroaching you or this person is encroaching you, so you try to feel be keep them at a distance also. So you're trying all the ways and the means to regain the control in your life, or to gain your self-worth, gain your self-power, or whatever it is. Okay, so it seems to be some sort of an inner struggle, and it's stemming up from the fact that you really have a serious pain in your heart. You really have something heartbreaking, and it is stopping you from moving forward. The resistance is coming from that place. Message from this deck is the Ace of Spades, so which is a new beginning. It is a new beginning. You need to have some sort of logical thinking. If you try to think logically, you will have a good idea or the right idea as to how you're supposed to move forward in this direction. So let's see what is the message from the angels. Nine of Thought. Stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards positive. There is no need to worry. Anticipating the worst isn't helpful. Know that heaven will provide a solution. If you are experiencing helpless and sleepless nights or anxiety over a challenge in your life, release the problem to your angels. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.